still not make money? Here is what you are missing. Most people don't make money online not because you don't work hard, but because you are missing two important things. Number one is multiple income stream. Number two is right strategies. Hey, this is Chuntianle. I'm a best-selling author and a visionary leader in the world of music and art, known as New Power Art. I help artists build a brand, increase income, impact, and influence. In today's video, let me explain more about this. Somebody just bought my book, YouTube Rising. Somebody just bought my book, YouTube Rising, and it reminded me of something important. If you want to grow fast and actually make money, and you need multiple income streams, but here is a catch. Not too many things that pull you in every direction. If people try to juggle too many unrelated things, they get distracted, burn out, and make little progress. Pick a few high-impact streams. Pick a few high-income streams that complement each other, like YouTube, book sale, or a signature course, and build a focused ecosystem where each part boosts the other. That's why your right strategies points is so important. It's the difference between random busy work and sustainable success. You need the right system built with a clear plan that connects them. I see too many people chasing every shining trend and ending up with nothing. They ending up with nothing. The ones winning online choose just a few proven strategies. Focus deeply and connect them so every effort feeds the next. Start now with a smart plan. Don't waste another year guessing. My book, YouTube Rising, shows exactly how to choose and build the right income stream. The link is on the pinned comment, and go check it out. So now you know it. Let's go. Let me give you a little detail. On chapter 10, on the YouTube Rising, chapter 10, okay? Chapter 10 is the power of affiliate marketing. And then you can check the detail how it works, okay? And in chapter 11, I talk about the sponsorship, collaboration, and the digital product. And then from here, you can, to open your mind, make your view a little wider to see not just YouTube, there's some multiple income streams. So no matter you are a brand new YouTuber or you are experienced YouTuber, and this book will help you. Because if you 100% focus on YouTube, so actually when you make money is right strategies and multiple income streams. So even before you get the monetization, you still can make the money. So open your mind. That's the beauty of this book. Otherwise, you focus exactly, the view, the duration of the view. So so open your mind. Open your mind, and then you can see the bigger world and make money earlier. Otherwise, you never get a monetization. Wait and wait. 4,000 hours is really a big number, especially in a very competition, the very competition world. So try to open your mind. Okay. So this is what I talked today. So can you tell me what I talked today? What is the 2 strategies? Can you tell me what I talked? Still not make money. Here is what you are missing. Most people don't make money online, not because they don't work hard, but because you are missing 2 important things. One is multiple income stream. The second one is the right strategies. Okay, so if you want to a little detail, if you want to grow faster, actually make money, you need multiple income stream. And, if too many things pull you in every direction, it will distract you, it will make you burn out and make little progress. And if you pick a few high impact stream that complement each other, like a YouTube book sale or signature course, and to build a focused ecosystem where each part boosts the other. That's why right strategies points is so important. It is a difference between the busy work and sustainable success. You need the right stream built with a clear path that connect each other. And too many people chase to every trend and eventually get nothing. And the one winning online chooses a few proven strategies and focus deeply and connect them, so every effort feeds the next. They choose the right stream, they choose the right strategies, not get everything. Very distracted. If you choose too many things, it will only distract your attention. Also, you'll make a little progress. Focus. Okay? So start with a smart plan, no matter you are a new YouTuber or experienced YouTuber. So if you just you miss these 2 points, multiple income stream and the right strategies, and then you might spend longer time and to start to make money. So you can start to make money even before the monetization. So don't waste another years guessing. And my book, you can check out the book and check the pinned comment below, and you can check the book out. So that's again. So if your mindset is very closed, very narrow, so you will miss a lot of opportunity. Open your mind and find the best way to make money early, and also to make money smartly. Okay, so and also today I mentioned 2 chapters, and chapter 10 and chapter 11. Chapter 10 is affiliate marketing, and chapter 11 is sponsorship. You can make money sponsorship, collaboration, and a digital product. So find a way to make the money, and you can don't focus too many things. Just stay very focused a few things with a high impact, with high impact, and also, try to stand out in the crowded marketing. Okay, so now you got it. Let's go. If my message inspires you, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like to help this video reach more audience and help more people. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.